In our 40 years of trading here at Trieste, we have had several saws on site. We settled on Schelling because of the engineering quality. The build quality is second to none. The project management has been fabulous. We've had seamless installations of 4 saws now. The installation is well organised. The health and safety is very considered. And then when you move into the training, there's training for everybody within the office staff of how we download programs to it. But then there's on-site training here for optimisation and the utilisation of the machine. They understand what we want to achieve and they come with a solution that achieves that.